Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. And Happy New Year. So y'all, New Year, new hair journeys. So the goal is to get those dead split ends off and be fresh for the new year. Speaking of dead fresh ends, I have proof of a client that I've been doing for I think this is about her third or fourth time coming to me, and her hair has really grown. I just want to show proof that by someone getting consistent trims, it doesn't mean that she's gonna lose growth. As far as like her growth. We're just getting rid of the dead ends. That's the only thing that we're getting rid of. So, and it's not taken away from, healthy growth. So her hair, when she first came to me, her hair used to be on her, right on top of her shoulders, and now it's on her back, like it's on like her shoulder blades. Well, kind of past her shoulder blades. And she's been coming to me, I think, since the summertime of 2022. But yeah, I just want to show and then since she get trims consistently, when I did do her trim, you'll trip out. We don't take a lot off. So we try to tell you guys that even though we need you to come in at the most every 3 months, when we do that, we're not trimming a lot. We only trimming what needs to be trimmed. At least the stylists that are doing what they're supposed to do. So I just want to let y'all know that. So I hope this helps. But yeah, I think I cut about probably like an eighth of an inch. It really didn't need much. So yeah. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one.
You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now. So don't leave. Spare me this feeling now. But it's okay now. As long as you're here. As long as I know. You fly back to me. But it's okay now. As long as you're here. As long as I know. You fly back to me. But it's okay now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. But it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now. As long as you're here. As long as I know. You fly back to me, baby. It's okay now. Here we go, put this miserable song on repeat. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair if you don't wanna talk to me? You should know your time is up, I'm out, I'm done. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence. So now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Yeah, yeah. So you thought I would let this slip. No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night. Your love has left us incomplete. Thinking that your promises will fit so loud. No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Cause I don't. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Oh no. So you thought I would let this slip. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. Never feel. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Thought you knew me so much better. Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's all I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear please never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio.